Africa VR Campus and Center Solar and Green Technologies project launch in Kenya.
I think we can do this. I think by the time I go, in just a few days, Paul and I are going to say, it's a go. We can do it. We've added up the numbers. It's doable. We are going to be able to supply electricity to people who have never had it before at a price that they're going to be able to afford with some small monthly payments. And those payments will be done, and the systems will still be working for years after that for free. Could be hard for people out in rural Kenya. So we need to put together the sources of microfinance to help individual families buy systems. They'll be affordable, but we're going to need a little finance. And we're going to train the young people coming out of Africa VR Campus to do the installation, to do the training. Also, to be independent. Not have to worry if the power system of Nairobi breaks down. Doesn't matter. I got my own power system. Save money, be independent. These are things I'd like to be part of.
Non yodua support in Noya Africa VR Campus Center. I would really urge neko moaji no muitikire nigetha tuteithikire totuita atumia na ciana citu iteithikire ho neguo.
Asking them, have we agreed we are going to put solar? Yes. Have we agreed we are going to market this in the community? Yes. The fire, see fire. We want to see how. Are we going to do it or not? Yes. We are going to do it? Yes. Are we going to do it? Yes. We are going to have a God. Yeah.
And they walk back to sing through the forest.